righty. The rainbow down bottom. It's your turn to rinse it out.
I'm really curious to see how that one turned out.
I know. We have pretty high hopes for this one too. I like the last one. I think if we did the last one in a bullseye, it would look amazing. We'll have to look at what colors we used and recreate that again. Or so I'm wanting to do another cosmic bullseye and do the toothbrush bleach thing that somebody left in the comments as well. We are definitely doing that soon. Yep. To the inside. Let me wipe the lens real quick. Get all the water off it. Okay. Look at all that green pouring out of there. Vibrant the hose too. Ooh, man, yeah, that does look pretty good already. Look at that nice maroon. That maroon looks really good with that onesie that we have that's that color. I think it looks really cool, don't you?
Yeah.
We need to do some more in that scape. That's a good bold tone. Color scheme. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Wow, man. Look at that. Hold it straight up again. Do this straight up into the light with the light shining through. Wow. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Hold it forward a little bit there. Right there, yeah. Look at that, man. Oh, yeah. Nice. You see the backside. It's got good tones too. Look at the top there. Wow. All the way to the blue and purple. Yeah. That looks really good. Stuck on the metal. Look at that. That's the first one like that. And here's the final result. Check that out, man. Look at that. Nice 6-window spiral. Pastel spiral with some good line pop in there. That looks really good. We're really impressed with this one. We had a feeling this one was going to turn out good, but it came out even better than we thought. But yeah, check that out. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.